This pasta is giving fancy Italian restaurant vibes, but you can make it at home super easily on a weeknight right in your own kitchen. This is the recipe for my creamy tomato mozzarella pasta sauce. And to make it an easy dinner, tonight I'm serving it with leftover smoked chicken. This pasta dish is easy to make with any type of noodle and any protein. Meatballs would be a great choice. In a very large pan on the stove, heat 2 tablespoons salted butter with half a chopped onion. Stir 5 minutes, add in 2 tablespoons minced garlic, half a tablespoon olive oil, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon Italian seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, and stir for 2 minutes. I hope you love the smell of an Italian kitchen. So this pasta sauce starts with 1 28-ounce can of tomato sauce. This is the type that's pureed and has no extra flavors. Add the tomato sauce to the pan with the onions and let it simmer on medium to medium-low as it starts to bubble over about 3 to 5 minutes. Usually I'll get started on the sauce, and then at this time I'll prepare any protein. Like I said, we had this leftover smoked chicken, which I have in other videos on Sip Bite Go's YouTube channel. And it's also a good time to boil your pasta. Use any curly shape like this that'll really hold the sauce. I set the burner with the pasta sauce to low or turn it off completely while my pasta cooks. When the pasta is done cooking, I finish the sauce by adding 1 cup of cream, and I set the burner to medium-low. I give that a stir for about a minute until it turns a beautiful pink color, and then I add in half a cup of mozzarella that I have freshly shredded from a block. It really makes a difference to shred your own mozzarella for this recipe because it makes it so gooey and cheesy, which is perfect for this sauce. When the cheese has fully melted into this creamy tomato mozzarella sauce, it's time to add the freshly cooked pasta. I love the sauce to pasta ratio in this dish because it's so creamy and satisfying, but still really rich in all that mozzarella flavor. There's so much sauce that it really does reheat well the next night. It's never like dry or gross. So here's how I plated it up on this particular night. I loaded up quite a few spoonfuls of this beautiful pink sauce, added a few sprigs of fresh basil, a tablespoon of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and usually that's where I'd leave it if I was just serving this as a side pasta, but then I gave it a huge flavor boost by adding that smoked chicken on top. You could also use rotisserie chicken or leftover chicken breast from any recipe you have. I can't wait for you to try this easy pasta sauce recipe. Don't forget to sign up for my Foodie Fridays email list if you aren't on there yet, where I send out easy weeknight meals like this right to your inbox just once a week. Like always, you can print the recipe at sipbitego.com. Can't wait for you to try. Delicious.